Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the logarithmic equation. We have the equation written down, which is 2 log 5 to the power x equals log 5 to the power 2x plus 3. The most common important thing when solving logarithm, you have to check if the bases are same. So if you can see from this question, base are same, so that means we are going to take this term to the left side, in which we are going to say for solution, we're going to say 2 log 5 to the power x equals log 5 to the power 2x plus 3, right? Then here we have to take this term to the other side, in which we're going to say 2 log 5 to the power x. Then when this term crosses the cosine, it will be minus log 5 to the power 2x plus 3, right? Then here, if you can see, which is equals to 0. If you can see here, we have the same base, so we only get one log here, in which if there's a negative here, that means we are dividing, right? So it will be 2 log 5. So we only get one log because the log are same, base 5, base 5. So in which we're going to say x, it will be divided by all this term, which is 2x plus 3, right? Then equals 0. I hope you're following me. Then here, in which it will be, we're going to take this power back to this this term which we're having here, right? Then in which it will be log 5 to the power x power 2 over 2x plus 3, right? Which is equals to 0. And here, there's a law which I used, which says if you have log 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. So that means this power will drop here, in which it will be 2 log 2 power 3. So that means we are getting this term back to this term here. That's what I used here. So in which, if you reach here log 5 to the power x squared over 2x plus 3, then this one we have to change this logarithm from logarithm into exponential. So we are going to say all this term here will come here, then this 0 will become the power of this term, in which it will be 5 to the power 0 equals, and here we have the term x squared over 2x plus 3, right? And any number to the power 0, it is 1. So in which it will be 1 equals x squared over 2x plus 3, right? Then when you cross multiply, you're going to have, let's take it here, x squared equals 2x plus 3. Then let's take all this term to the other side, in which it will be x squared. When 2x across the cosine, it will be minus 2x. When 3 plus 3 across the cosine, it will be minus 3, which is equals to 0. So here now we have to look into the common factor. We have to factorize this term, in which we're going to say x squared. So we're going to look into two numbers. When you multiply, it will give us negative 3. When you add or subtract, it will give us negative 2. So those numbers are positive 1, which is divided by x, then minus 3x, because when you do 1 minus 3x, it is minus 2x. Then when you multiply 1 times minus 3, it is minus 3. Then here, 3 equals 0. Then here, you're going to factorize now. What's common? It is x. So x outside, then x into x squared, which is x, then plus x into x, which is 1. Then here what's common? It is minus 3. Then minus 3 into 3x, we're going to remain with x. Then minus 3 into minus 3, it is plus 1, which is equals to 0, right? Then if you can see these terms are equal, so we're going to only correct one term, which means we're going to say x minus 3. So x minus 3 in the bracket, then x plus 1, which is equals to 0. So that means our answer will be x equals 3 or x equals minus 1. So these are our answers for this question here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new update. Thank you.